what I love? Asking questions. One day I opened a special book. It was a magical book and it felt like my heart began to shine. I meet the best teachers here, and guess what? Every story teaches me something amazing. It's fun, it's deep, it's beautiful.
Welcome to Q Blessings, where hearts learn to see. This is a place where little minds explore the Quran with wonder, where values grow like flowers in young hearts, and every story shines with the light of Ahlulbayt alayhi salam. Here, faith becomes love, learning becomes joy, and every child discovers how truly blessed they are.
Let's us learn and grow together. Only at Q Blessings, where hearts learn to see